Okay, we start once again. So we have earlierly recorded that the pitch of the screw is 0.1 centimeter. The total number of divisions on the circular scale are 100, and therefore the least count is 0.001 centimeter. This is what you are going to do in your book or that manual. Now in our case, the number of circular scale divisions by which the 0 is above or below. In our case, we have taken the 0 to be below. Okay, so I'm going to cut above, below. The axis line, that is by 9 divisions. Okay, by 9 divisions into the least count. So 0.001. So 0.009. Okay, and I'm going to subtract this reading. So I'm going to subtract this reading from the mean reading. What is that? We are going to look at now. Okay, here I'm supposed to measure the dimensions of a sphere. I have got the sphere, then this block or this plate and the thin wire. Okay, I'm going to measure the dimensions of this 3 objects. How to do that? We'll see for the ball bearing first, or the small sphere. Now when we are going to take the readings, make sure that this 2 jaws are going to hold that object. Okay, or put the object between these 2 jaws. Okay, place it in this particular fashion. Do not tighten it. Okay, you're not supposed to deform it. Okay, you're just supposed to place this object between these 2 jaws. Now we are going to check how many divisions the circular scale has crossed the main scale. Now you can clearly see this is 5, this is 6, and the 7th one is also visible, but I'm not able to see the 8th one. Okay, I'm not able to see the 8th mark. Okay, since it is lying between 7 and 8, what I'm going to write the main scale reading as 0.7. Okay, since it has not crossed 0.8, I'm going to write the earlier one, that is the 0.7. Why 0.7? Because it is the 7th division and this is the 1 centimeter, and 7 divisions, that is 7 mm or 0.7 centimeter. Now I'm supposed to check which of the circular scale is matching with the reference line. Which of the circular scale is matching with the reference line? In my case, it is 59th division. Okay, circular scale division which is matching is 59th division. Okay, next is the rest what we did yesterday. So 59 into the least count, that is 0.001. So okay, I get the answer as 0.059. Correct? Now what is to be done? We are going to add this 0.7 plus 0.059. 0.7 plus 0.059. So it is 0.759. Okay, now next comes the correction reading. Which we are interested in. Correction reading in this case is minus 0.09. Since my 0 reference line के नीचे था, since the 0 of my circular scale was below the reference line or the axis line, I have taken it as a positive error which has to be added, positive error which has to be subtracted. We are going to subtract it from this particular readings, that is 0.759 minus 0.009, that is equal to 0.750. Okay, I have subtracted this 0.009 from 0.759. Since my error was positive, I had to subtract it from the main scale or the total reading. The total reading was 0.759. So 0.759 minus 0.009 gives me answer 0.75. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just remove this and put it once again and find out what is the mean scale. Mean scale is once again same 0.7, 0.7. Now the divisions are say 55. So 55 into 0.001, that gives me answer 0.055. So add this 0.055 to this, so I get the answer as 0.755. Now I'm once again supposed to subtract this from this reading. Okay, so 0.759 minus 0.009, which is equal to 0. Now tell me 0.74. Subtracting 9 will give me 46. Okay, I've got the answer 0.746. I make the average of this. Average of this is addition of these two and dividing by 2. So answer is 0.748. 0.748. I will give the values of remaining thing, that is the block and the thin wire. You find out the values. Okay, for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this plate in between the two things and then I'm going to measure the. Okay, now once again I'm going to find out the thickness of the plate is 0.6 and the circular scale division is say 89. Okay, and remove the plate once again, turn it and place it once again. Okay, so this is now okay, 0. 0. Now 6 and 87. Say, do the remaining calculations. The wire, for the wire, I'm going to put this wire in between these two. Okay, now this has not crossed the 1 also, so this is my 0. Main scale reading is 0. I'm supposed to see which is the circular scale division. Circular scale division is say 58. Move the wire once again and put it 0 again, because it is lying between the 0 and the first. I'm not able to see the first division, so I'm writing it as 0, and here it is say 60. Okay, remaining thing is calculation which you are supposed to do and do it in your manual.